Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever struggled with soggy rice or a pot that burns everything at the bottom, you know that the right equipment changes everything. Today we are looking at the Toshiba OriginTaste rice cooker. This is a 5.5 cup capacity machine that claims to be a multifunctional powerhouse for your kitchen. But does it actually hold up to the hype, or is it just another appliance taking up counter space? Let us break it down. First off, let us talk about build quality. The standout feature here is the 3.1 mm thick inner pot. This is not some flimsy piece of metal. It feels heavy, durable, and it is finished with a PFAS-free ceramic coating. That is a major win for health-conscious cooks who want that non-stick convenience without worrying about harsh chemicals. The capacity is 5.5 cups of uncooked rice, which converts to enough food for a family of 6. That makes this a solid choice for dinners or meal prepping for the week. When it comes to technology, Toshiba is using fuzzy logic and 3D heating. In simple terms, this means the cooker is not just heating from the bottom. It manages the temperature and timing more intelligently to ensure even cooking throughout the pot. This results in grains that are fluffy rather than mushy. You get 15 different cooking functions right out of the box. While many people will use it for white or brown rice, it also handles jasmine rice, porridge, mixed grains, and even things like cakes and stews. If you want to get creative, you can use the steam or soup functions to diversify your meal plan. The user interface is straightforward. You get a clean, large LCD display that makes navigating the settings very easy. It also includes a 24-hour delay timer, which is a lifesaver if you want to wake up to warm oatmeal or have rice ready the moment you walk through the door after work. The keep warm function is automatic and reliable, so you do not have to worry about your food going cold if you are running late. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is unmatched. Having one device that handles cakes, soups, and perfect rice is excellent for small kitchens. The build quality of the inner pot is impressive, and the easy-to-clean design of the steam valve makes maintenance much less of a chore. However, there are some trade-offs. Because it is a non-stick pot, you have to be careful with the utensils you use. Even though it is high quality, you should stick to the plastic spatula provided. Also, keep in mind that this is not dishwasher safe. You will need to hand wash it with a soft cloth to keep that coating in good shape for the long run. In conclusion, the Toshiba OriginTaste rice cooker is a high-performing appliance that offers great value for the price. It takes the guesswork out of cooking grains and provides enough flexibility to act as a secondary cooker for soups and stews. It is well built, easy to operate, and looks sleek on the counter. If you are tired of inconsistent rice and want to elevate your home cooking, this is definitely a machine worth considering. Link in the description.